The next operation of integers that we'll be talking about is multiplication of integers. But before we are to proceed, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay? Now, multiplication of integers. Now, there are rules when you will be multiplying integers. Okay. Rule number one, the product of the same sign is positive. The same sign. Okay. Like for example, negative times negative equals positive. They have the same sign. Multiplication of the same sign, the product is positive. Positive times positive is positive. Say for example, we have here negative 5 times negative 8. They are all negative, so our answer is positive 40. Okay, the next one. They have the same sign. These two numbers are all positive. Positive 6 times positive 3. The answer is positive 18. Okay, number 3. What is the sign of 2? It's negative. And what is the sign of 7? It's negative. Do they have like signs? Yes. So they have like signs. So therefore, our product is positive because multiplication of the same sign or like sign, the product is positive. So 2 times 7, that's 14. So the answer is positive 14. The next one, what is the sign of 3? It's positive. What is the sign of 9? It's positive. When you multiply the same sign, the product is positive. Okay, the answer is positive 27. Now the next, so there we have rule number 2. The product of different sign is negative. Okay, so negative times positive equals negative. Positive times negative is negative. So if you will be multiplying different sign, the product is negative. Different. Let's have more examples. Number 1. What is the sign of 4? Negative. What is the sign of 5? It's positive. So they have different sign. Therefore, its product is negative. The sign is negative. Then you multiply 4 times 5, it's 20. Another example, number 2. What is the sign of 8? It's positive. And what is the sign of 3? It's negative. Then when you multiply 8 times 3, the product is 24. And since they have different sign, so our product is negative 24 because they have different sign. Now number 3, do they have different sign or same sign? So they have different sign. This is negative and this is positive. Different signs. So obviously our product here is negative. So 2 times 7, it's 14. So our product is negative 14. Okay, number 4 example. Positive 10 times negative 3. So they have different sign. Positive 10 times negative 3. Obviously our answer is negative. It's because they have different sign. So negative 30 because 10 times 3 is 30. Positive times negative, that's negative. The next operation of integers is what we call as division of integers. Now, division of integers, the rule of sign of division of integers is the same as the rule of sign also of multiplication of integers. So, rule number 1, the quotient of the same sign is positive. So, here we go. Negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. Positive divided by positive, the answer is positive. So, the same sign, the quotient is positive. Now, here are the examples. Negative 10 divided by negative 2. Do they have the same sign? Yes, they have the same sign. They are all negative. So, therefore, our quotient is positive. Positive 5. Now, next, number 2. What is the sign of 8? It's positive. What is the sign of 4? It's positive. So, they have the same sign. So, when you divide the same sign, the answer is positive. So therefore, the quotient for this is positive 2. Now, for number 3, negative 12 divided by negative 3. Do they have the same sign? Yes, they have the same sign. They are all negative. Therefore, our quotient is a positive also, positive 4. Okay, example number 4. What is the sign of 18? It's positive. What is the sign of 9? It's positive. So again, when you divide the same sign, what is the quotient? So it's positive. So therefore, 18 divided by 9 is positive 2. Okay, now next example. So rule number 2 for division of integer is that the quotient of different sign is negative. Here it is. So negative divided by positive, they have different sign. The quotient is negative. Positive divided by negative, the answer is negative. So they have different sign. Here is the examples. Here are the examples. Number 1, negative 20 divided by 4. If you notice, they have different sign. Different. So therefore, our quotient is negative. It's negative 5. Now next, number 2. So here is number 2. 32 is positive. What is 8? Negative. So they have different sign. So therefore, our quotient is negative 4 because they have different sign. Okay, number 3. What is the sign of 42? So it's negative. What is the sign of 7? It's positive. So they have different sign. If they have different sign, our quotient is negative. So therefore, our answer is negative 6. Okay, next example, number 4. So 25 divided by negative 5. Now, the sign of 25 is positive and the sign of 5 is negative. So they have different sign. Therefore, our answer will be negative 5. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you learned something from this video.